Nothing adds to the tranquility or excitement of your poolscape like the sight and sound of falling water. MagicFalls water effects from Pentair Water Pool and Spa can transform your pool into a romantic oasis, a playful family water park, or a breathtaking scenic backdrop for poolside entertainment. You choose the atmosphere. Let MagicFalls bring it to life. MagicFalls water effects are available with a wide range of options, so you can add mesmerizing water effects that soothe and energize. Choose sheet, curtain, and rainfall effects. Straight, curved, or customized waterfalls. Lengths from 8 inches to 8 feet. MagicFalls water effects are also available in a range of finishes to provide the perfect complement to your pool's design. MagicFalls water effects can be installed in raised walls, inside planters, along the tile line, in stonework, or even in raised arbors. And they can combine with your other pool equipment to deliver even greater impact. For example, when installed with an IntelliFlow variable speed pump from Pentair, you can automatically vary flow rates and create a seamless sequence of changing effects, from a gentle cascade to a rapid torrent of falling water. The only limit is your imagination. Transform your pool from ordinary to extraordinary with MagicFalls water effects from Pentair Water Pool and Spa. Contact your Pentair pool professional today.